Mullen. Holland. Spender yn ôl at Jamie Mullen. Mullen, Simon, Spender. Cyfle am y creisiad. Mae Draper yn disgwyl amdani hi. O i fewn at Aaron Edwards! Cyfle o fewn y 2 munud gyntaf. Ac Aaron Edwards, mi fydd o'n hynod siomedig na ganfod o gefn y rwyd yn fanna. Spender. Yn edrych i'w chlirio hi'n sydyn ond yn ôl at Holland. Holland yn ei dro at Aaron Edwards. Fyna le yr ochr bella gan Jamie Mullen. Mae Simon Spender yna hefyd i fewn y dawi at Spender. Spender i'r canol. Draper! O hyfryd gan y Seintia. Symudiad slick i lawr yr ochr fe. Chydig dros 5 munud o'r gêm wedi chwarae. Y tîm cartra ar y blaen. Seintia Newydd 1, Aberystwyth dim. Mae yna 5 yn y cwrt yn disgwyl am y geg. Gornel ar peniad yn un pwerus gan Declan Walker. Wallacott. Phillips. O, mae yna gyfle fan hyn i Wade! Trwch blewyn. Arbediad campus gan Paul Harrison. Neu mi fydda Aber yn gyfartal. Yr ergyd gan Ryan Wade. Tom Holland. Holland. Rwydd hyn ti gario'r bel. O, gwiro'r bel i lwybr Mullen. Mullen allai gael ei greisio fewn. Mi allo Draper! Mi oedd y dyfarnwr cynorthwyol ar yr ochr bella wedi codi i Liman. Da ni wedi chwarae 1 munud ar 20. O hwnna, cael ei chaniatau y creisiad gan Jamie Mullen. Y peniad gan Greg Draper. Dyblu mantais y tîm cartra. Seintia Newydd 2, Aberystwyth dim. Holland. Hudson. Aaron Edwards o'i flaen o. Lles gyn Chris Marriott. Marriott. Cyfle ym'r ergyd. Marriott ar ergyd! O, na chi gol! Gan Chris Marriott. 31 o funudau wedi chwarae. Tas yna ddau Chris Mullock yn y gol. Dwi'n meddwl os ydi stopio hwnna. Y Seintia Newydd tair. Aberystwyth dim. Gic yn cael ei chymryd yn sydyn. Spender yr un isel yr ergyd gan Marriott. I'r rwyd ochr. Wel ydi rwydo yn yr hanner cyntaf. Draper dod yn agos amdani. Dyma Tom Holland rwan yma Draper. A mae Brobl yn amseru rediad. Y peniad gan McKenna. Mae'n disgyn i Draper o'r arbediad yn rhagorol gan Mullock. Mi oedd Mullen yna i fanteisio o arbediad campus gan Chris Mullock. Rawlinson. Rawlinson, lledu'r bel at Marriott. Pas hyfryd, Marriott. Sgwario'r bel at Draper! Dyna'r hat-trick. Dyna symudiad slick gan y pencampwyr. Y croesiad gan Marriott. Draper yn amseru'r hediad yn berffaith. Seintia Newydd 4, Aberystwyth dim. Regulation 4-0 victory. Did it flatter you?
You could say that they had a right go. They tried to press us from the outset, so possibly. But I think take your chances, get your goals, and obviously another clean sheet. So more than happy.
We said before the game we were going to come here and give it a go, and I've got no complaints with my players. They've given us give TNS a good game. We probably had as many chances as them first half, but that's why they're champions. They're so clinical, and going forward they're absolutely superb. But as you say, my players give us everything tonight. We were down to the bare bones, but I thought at times we probably had a bit more possession and we had a few chances. So that's all you can ask for from my side. And as you say, we'll move on to the big game against Carmarthen now on Sunday.
Greg, you'll get the plaudits, but it was a good team performance.
Yeah, it was. Defended well, kept the ball well, I thought. A bit sloppy at times, but obviously. Midfielders kept the ball really well, created some good chances, and 3 pretty simple goals for me in the end.
But you got to be in the right place at the right time.
Got to be in the right place. I normally miss them, so it was nice to see him at the back of the net tonight. But no, I thought from back to front everyone was on it tonight.